Okay, look.
That's an excavator.
Which one is an excavator?
There.
Oh, this is an excavator. Okay.
An excavator bulldozer.
An excavator bulldozer? Wow. Sharpener? The truck is stuck, so the excavator needs to pull it. Do you see?
It's an excavator
It's
bulldozer.
an excavator bulldozer? Okay. TikTok. TikTok. I will take you out. I will take you out. Alright. Yeah?
I want to be popular.
You want to be popular?
Give you my share.
Okay.
Looks like you want to take a video of me.
Okay. Is it gonna get out? Warona, see over there, it's stuck. Look, can you see? It's stuck. Good job.
You want to take a video of me?
I am taking a video with you. Oh, my lawn. My Warona.
Longer.
Okay. But look at our grass now. Look at our lawn now. It's making a hole by the lawn.
What did you say?
I'm saying it's messing up the lawn. Bulldozer stuck too.
Yes.
Oh, poor Willow. I hope you're doing okay. They're not hurting you, no?
How did it do that? Mom, how did it do
How did it do
that?
it?
That.
Arangan.
How did it do that?
That's how the bulldozer works.
Excavator.
Bulldozer excavator.
The excavator's doing.
The excavator looks like a huge dinosaur, no? Yeah. Woo! Act like a bulldozer. That's a bulldozer, ne? Wow. It looks like a tow truck?
Yes.
Okay. When it's ready, finish your recording. Is it gonna get out? Is the excavator gonna take it out? What do you think, Warona? Do you think it's gonna work?
No.
You don't think it's gonna work? The rains was so heavy yesterday that the land is so wet and the truck got stuck in the mud. Let's go show you closer. It's working! It's working! Look at all the water that's in there.
It's right. I'm right. It will move.
It moved a little.
Yes. Right. It didn't come out.
Yeah.
Did you think it's gonna come out?
Hmm?
Did you think it's gonna come out?
I think it's gonna come out. You too?
They're hard work.
Such hard work, nah? Making you feel dizzy? Come closer this side.
Why?
Look, it's going, it's going, it's going.
Yeah.
need help.
So yes, the truck got stuck in the mud because it was coming to take the septic tank, and then the truck got stuck. And I go, oh no, I'm stuck in the mud. I'm gonna need some help. I need a bulldozer. Call me a bulldozer. And then the bulldozer came and said, bulldozer to the rescue. Bulldozer to the rescue. And then with the strong trunk, it pulled the septic truck out. And they're still trying to pull the septic truck. But our poor lawn, is saying, what's our lawn saying?
Oh, we're getting messed up.
We are so messed up. We were green and lush, and now we are just brown and mushy mud. Oh no.
I think the wheels is ignoring the lawn.
The wheels are ignoring the lawn, but the lawn is saying, but I want these big wheels out of me. Can they go? Yay, the truck is out. Yay, it's finally out.
Get out. And what's the lawn saying?
The truck is out, yay, but look at how it left me. I am a mess now. Oh, I was so beautiful before. We hope Malume Adam can fix us. Yay, that is the story of the septic truck and the bulldozer excavator. We hope you enjoyed our story.